My name is Richard Weaver. I'm the primary attorney at Weaver Bankruptcy Law Firm. Our firm primarily serves the DFW Metroplex, and so, anywhere around Dallas and Fort Worth and the surrounding communities. The type of cases that we handle are primarily consumer bankruptcy cases, meaning Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. The main benefit of bankruptcy is the ability to get rid of unsecured debt. There are other types of debt, like if you've got a car or a house that you're behind on, we can't just get rid of the debt and still keep the collateral. But there are tools within the bankruptcy that allow you to get caught up on your house payment or your car payment. When a client comes to me with a serious financial problem, the most important thing for a lot of people is to save the home. And if they're getting ready to lose the home, that's a difficult thing for a lot of people. Bankruptcy does allow us to block foreclosures and set up a plan to catch up the arrears over a 3 to 5 year period. It also helps us with credit card type debt, payday loans or title loans. It can be quite a burden. A lot of times I can see people are walking around with this big burden and they don't really know how much it's affecting them until it's gone. And then you can see that when they realize what we're able to do, a great weight is taken off their shoulder. They almost breathe a sigh of relief. Just about everybody that's out there getting into consumer debt is right on the edge, and it doesn't take a lot to kind of tip them over. A little bit of medical problems, certainly job loss, divorce. Sometimes it's just a matter of the interest on credit cards end up chewing them up, and they just can't do much more than make the regular monthly payments. So when that interest builds up to where they can just make the monthly payments on credit cards, they make these monthly payments and maybe have been making them for years, and they're never getting out from under it. It's a very common problem. Our law firm's different than other firms based on the personal attention that I give the cases. I try really hard to make sure that my clients understand what they're getting into. We try really hard to screen the cases and make sure there's no unexpected developments in the case. We like everything to be as routine as possible for our clients. If someone's having financial problems and they think that bankruptcy might be a solution, we'd be happy to invite them into our office and visit with them about their finances. And if bankruptcy appears to be the solution, we'll recommend that and help them through the process.